Have you ever thought that a flaw could be the most beautiful part of something? Let me tell you a tale that brings this idea to life. Once, there was a renowned potter, known far and wide for his magnificent creations. One day he set out to create a vase, pouring his heart and soul into the work. With expert hands, he shaped and molded the clay, his focus unbroken. But as he neared completion, disaster struck him. A small crack appeared on the side of the vase, and many would have seen this as a ruinous flaw, a reason to discard the piece and start anew. But not our potter. Instead, he paused and studied the crack with thoughtful eyes. He saw something others might miss. The flaw was an opportunity, a chance to create something truly unique. With a delicate touch, he began to incorporate the crack into the design. He painted gold along its edges, highlighting the imperfection, transforming it into a feature rather than a defect. The end result? A vase that was more beautiful, more meaningful than anything else he had ever created. The golden flaw turned the vase into his most prized possession, a testament to the beauty of embracing imperfections. So next time you encounter a flaw, remember the potter's tale. Sometimes the cracks are what make us truly beautiful. Stay inspired and keep creating.